Hello, my name is Nick, and we will be conducting the Balance Error Scoring System Test, or BESS. This test is a measure of static balance and is used to identify problems within the somatosensory systems. The BESS can be used on the sidelines of a field to determine if an athlete has sustained a concussion. This test requires minimal equipment and is very easy to perform. All someone needs to conduct this test is a foam pad, a firm surface like a hardwood floor, and a stopwatch.
There are 3 stances that are used for the BESS. These stances are performed first on the firm surface and then on a foam surface. The 3 stances are double leg stance, a single leg stance, and a tandem leg stance. The single leg stance should be performed while standing on the non-dominant leg, and the tandem stance should have non-dominant leg in posterior direction. Each trial lasts 20 seconds. The BESS does not require a warm-up prior to testing. The tester only needs to explain the testing procedure. Participants should be instructed to close their eyes, place their hands on their iliac crests, and maintain their balance.
A common error that testers make when conducting the BESS is scoring errors made simultaneously. When 2 or more errors occur at the same time, it should be recorded as 1 error. There is also a limit of 10 errors per trial, or 60 errors total. A tester unfamiliar with the BESS could record more than 10 errors in a single trial and cause unreliable data. We will now perform the full BESS test, try to count the errors as we go, and see if you are able to score the test correctly.
We will now perform the full BESS test. Notice that the participant does not have any shoes on. The tester will now test for 20 seconds in the double leg stance. In this period of time, the tester will be looking for any errors that the participant is making.
Time.
The participant will now switch stances to a single leg stance, and the test will be performed for another 20 seconds again.
Go. Time.
Now the participant will perform the tandem stance, and it will be recorded for another 20 seconds.
Ready. Time. Time.
After the tandem stance is done, the participant will now switch to the foam surface, where all 3 stances will be tested again, but this time on a foam surface. Here the participant is doing the double leg stance first.
Time. Time.
Our participant will now switch to a single leg on the non-dominant leg.
Time. Time.
Lastly, the tandem stance, where the non-dominant foot is in the posterior position.
Time. Time.
The score received overall for this BESS test was 7 errors.